Protecting our health has never been more important. And now, thanks to Service Wing Organic Solutions, it's never been easier to safely disinfect hospitals, homes, businesses, schools, and more. Here today to talk to me about all of the benefits of hypochlorous acid is Heath Ty, one of the founding partners. So talk to me a little bit about how you've been using this for a couple years. So talk to me a little bit about how you first learned about hypochlorous acid and how you've been using it before this.
Okay, Kelly Mall, a fellow firefighter and a partner in this company with me. We purchased a poultry farm around 4 years ago, and that's where we was first introduced to hypochlorous acid. We had a problem on that farm with too much bacteria in the water. The CFU count was too numerous to count. So we had tried multiple other systems, and we couldn't get anything to control the bacteria. We tried different chemicals and different water system purification systems, and yet we couldn't remediate the problem. So that's when we met Michael Kurgan, the other partner in this company. He had been doing this for a few years overseas, and just a matter of a few days after applying this product and treating it into the water, our CFU count went to, we had zeros in a lot of houses, and the highest one was 41. Purified bottled water has a CFU count of 100, so we essentially are better than purified bottled water for our poultry there.
So you have your experience working on the chicken farm, you're also a firefighter, and then at what point did you decide, okay, this needs to be used on a bigger scale to help our fire department and first responders?
Well, that's when COVID really hit. Me and Kelly Mall, we got a meeting with the fire department with Chief Mallory, the head fire chief, and another safety chief. And what we did is we went there to tell them about the technology we had, because we knew we could make an abundance of this product. And at that time, they were having problems with getting products to disinfect with. The night after that meeting, or that same evening when we had that meeting, Chief Mallory called us back and said, "Can you come disinfect the 911 center?" And we told him, "Yeah, we'll be up there in a matter of hours." So when we got up there, we found out that one of the people there possibly had COVID. So we run a backpack sprayer and some of the Anolyte from the farm, and we disinfected the area where everybody was working. And that's one thing about this product, it's safe to get on your skin. You don't have to use any PPE, anything like that. And so at the 911 center, they can't leave and not take 911 calls. So we did spray it down with them in there.
So y'all went out to the 911 center. At what point did you guys start to make the Anolyte generators and start to sell them on a larger scale?
After that point, we were starting in the business to produce more of them for the farm. We had some demo units that we had made. And once COVID hit, we had to really step it up. We're the only manufacturer that I know of in America that makes an Anolyte generator and has our own EPA label on our product. There's other manufacturers out there, but they're using machines from overseas, and they're making hypochlorous acid and selling it.
And it's all made right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and a lot of you guys are firefighters or families or people that you know, so it's really a tight-knit group of people here working on these and developing this.
Absolutely.
Does that make you proud to be a part of something like this?
Oh yeah, yeah, I felt like we've helped a lot of people throughout this pandemic, and the people we've brung in, like you said, the other firemen work here with us and helped us develop this even farther. I think we've sure helped a lot of people out there, and it's definitely saved lives and kept the virus from spreading. One thing, most people want a product that's safe around their kids, and there's not a lot of products out there that are safe around kids. And I mean, the same with first responders. We want to take care of each other, and there's times when you need to get it on your gear or something along those sorts, and there's not a lot of products out there that's safe to get on your skin without using PPE, and this product's safe all the way around.
To shop and find out more information, visit servicewing.com.